Hi everyone, I'm Jules, and today I will be telling you a story to answer the question, does a leader always hold the marker? So let's imagine you're placed in a group and told to brainstorm a response to the question on the flip chart. What's the first thing that you believe would happen in the team dynamics? Logically, there would be introductions. Now, as introductions are occurring, someone will automatically go to the flip chart and pick up the marker. One may think that this person is asserting their expertise, wanting to get through the exercise effectively. Others may think that the person is asserting their power over the group. Perhaps they're a control freak. Whatever the reason, if you have been in this situation, you or someone you know has picked up the marker first. Now, the question is, does picking up the marker first make you a leader? Well, the short answer to that is no, it does not. To see the long answer in action, go watch the 1968 movie 12 Angry Men. This movie is famously used in leadership training around the world. The main character is played by Henry Fonda, and throughout the movie, his character develops into the natural leader of the group. But he didn't start out that way. He began by sitting in a room with 10 other jurymen to listen to the facilitator who was given the marker. If you haven't watched the movie or think black and white movies are not your thing, let me take you through another story. Now let's go back to the scenario of a team of five individuals put together by chance to solve a problem. So the story begins when one picks up a marker and says, "Okay, guys, let's do this. Who wants to go first?" Two team members turn to each other and say, "Who made him chief?" Another member stays quiet, looking around, and the remaining one speaks by giving them her idea. The one with the marker then writes it on the flip chart and asks if anyone else would like to participate. When no one says anything, he goes into a soliloquy and tells everyone his right answer. At this point, the two people who were not sure why he was leading the group shoot the idea down. Now, the one who had the first idea stands by the quiet one, and they both look at the group silently. It's clear that trust is not formed in this team. As tensions flare between the members, the silent girl steps in to calm everyone down. And she says, "Isn't the objective of the exercise to brainstorm ideas? Why are we already settling on the best one? I have an idea to place on the chart too. Here it is." And then she proceeds to write it out. Everyone looks at her and sees that she's right. And then they come to the unanimous agreement that they have not yet gotten to the selection process. The instructor then tells everyone to brainstorm their ideas. Slowly, they begin spewing out ideas, and the guy with the marker is having a hard time keeping up. In fact, he is still upset that his idea didn't just close out the exercise. So he says, "I'm getting tired of writing. Do we have enough to make a decision?" At this point, another member comes up and says, "Wait, you haven't placed mine up there yet. Here, give me the marker and let me write it." And he proceeds to do exactly that. Now, by the end of the brainstorm, they have a laundry list of ideas. The one who had taken the marker at the beginning of the exercise says, "My idea is still the best," while the others look at him and start commenting negatively. The one silent man speaks up, "How about we choose an idea we all accept? In this situation, the best way to do it is by voting on the idea. How about we take turns going to the chart and selecting our top three ideas?" Now, at this point, the other members unanimously agreed. They each picked up the marker to place their votes, and at the end, an idea which had all five votes shined. They all stared, and one said, "We found the winner." So, the moral of the story is this: the person holding the marker was not the leader, but the scribe. In your current role, you may be a manager, so logically, you are the one holding the marker at work. But keep in mind that because you are the manager does not necessarily make you the leader. Give chances to your group to shine and to speak out. Build the trust with your team, fostering a collaborative approach. Chances are, when you're problem solving, you'll come to agree on a better idea than your own. So, next time you're part of a team to solve a problem, Remember that the marker is at best making you the scribe of the group, but it will never automatically make you the leader.